Mga bike dito, mga oldies talaga. Wala silang mga modern bike.
Look at this bike. It's a Panasonic. Just a battery. The roads are flat, right? So cyclists will get there's no ups and downs.
Barbecue, sashimi, nice.
Nasa 7,000. 7,000 pesos yung ganun kadami.
Nawawala na din si Jay.
Wala na lahat.
Magtatawagan ko naman siya.
Si Luis. Na lang.
Wait ka kaya Kaka. Oh, sige. Mas ka lang.
Okay.
Wala akong may kay maaga. Bukas.
Oh, bukas na lang.
Bukas na.
Oo. Tsaka okay dito, malamig naman.
Oo, no?
Hindi kahit abuti ng tanghali. Oh, busy. Ay, si Jay, nakita ko na yun.
Tama na.
Nakita ko yun. So yun, pag nawawala, save by the GoPro. Napakainit sa Japan. Okay.
Let's go.
Go.
We are now arriving at Minami Ibaraki, station number HK68. Please transfer here for the Osaka monorail. The next stop is Ibarakishi. Please exit from the left side.
列車到着遅れましたことをお願いいたします。
I work in bamboo.
The bamboo king.
Yun lang? Simple lang.
Ayun,
Natrap sila.
pupunta pa tayo doon. Ay,
Natulog.
feel this.
Curry with the Kyoto vegetable special.
Did you pay the Did you pay the
Nope.
Chicken biryani.
Where?
No, I'm just thinking. Sushi.
Yan,
Sushi, right?
Oh, yan, 900 lang. Ito, today's rice.
Ayun, may niyog yun.
Oh, rice bowl lunch.
Beef tapa with
Yan.
egg.
Oh, yan.
It's not so
Tapos
bad.
Kasha na tayo.
Yes.
Sige, tingnan mo.
Anong floor?
Anong floor?
Going to second.
Second floor.
Kasha.
Kasya, kasya.
Asha, Asha.
11 people, it's okay, 11 people.
Asha, Asha.
Ay,
7-Eleven.
Akasya.
Everyone
Yes.
Close, close.
that I wanted to.
Thank you for checking.
Mga naiwan na si Tito Des eh. Si Des, Tito Des. Hello.
Ayan. Utot na ako.
Oh my God.
Uy. Sarap naman. Ah. 11? 11. Parang di masarap. Bawi sa tubig. 11.
Tuwan-tuwa siya. Uy, nagpikas.
Ben naman ano? Benas, sabi Benas.
Very gelatinous.
巻き出す日帰り宣伝号線天山の庭当駅でお降りください。
You're being
Ah,
interviewed.
what can you say about our tour?
Come on, but
We're in Japan.
tour?
Yeah.
It's fun.
It's fun and make it long.
What is that? I like it.
You like it? Oh,
Pag-usapan natin to.
ayun, ganun pala pagtawid. Ay, si Lola, ang galing. Ang galing ni Lola. Ay pala nasa kalye, no? Ang ganda ng train.
Galing.
Hindi ko alam.
I don't think that is.
Yay! Naku po, naulan. May shoes! My God!
My shoes. My shoes.
Stay tayo.
Hindi naman dito maputik kaya matik
Kahit na. Itim pa rin yan. Check it out! What's up, what's up?
来的时候，包括住在这里。
Fishing natin. Ha? Ay.
Bilis, 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 bilis.
So, yan na. Ubusin na lang yan. Bibili pa bang tinapay yan, matcha?
Royce.
Dapat lang. Ah, okay. Oh, thank you.
Matcha, dito lang daw meron eh.
Oo nga. Ah, hindi.
Royce.
That's not rice kita. I think it's Japan made.
Japan made na.
Not different.
Different.
Uy, go with Tita Inday. Binigay ko na sa inyo yung papasko ko, pa-birthday, lahat. It's worth 400,000. Hindi mo
Saan makapaniwala?
Hindi mo alam kung ano ba ito, nagsasabi pa ito ng totoo. Ano.
Anak,
Ayan.
minak.
Tama kay Tita Inday.
ありがとうございます。To all Cephasmic guests, may I have your attention please? This is Cephasmic 5J827 from Manila. The boarding time of this flight will be changed due to late arrival of the aircraft. The new boarding time will be tomorrow, 8:30.
8:30. Alright.
Diyos ko, anong oras na na
Cebu Pacific. Love you.
8:30. Ano ba dapat ang oras?
I love Cebu Pacific. Oh, ayan na. Kobe.
Then,
Sabihin mo nga yung mga yung mga driver, bilis-bilisan mag-drive.
30.
oo nga. Sayang. George thing. Galing mo
Ano?
to. Jorge. George.
Ate Chen Chen na.
George.
And then,
Kami ay nag-Shelpie.
chocolate.
Yeah, Shelpie.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Si Louie. Sino pa ba? Ayan o. Ulo niya.
Hindi pwedeng.
Ano yun?
Sumingit, nakatalikod.
So ngayon, Ate Berna, so anong final word sa atin dito sa atin? Japan Escapade.
Travel pa more.
Ito pa more matcha.
Eya.
O, si ate. Final long words.
What's up, what's up?
Baza.
My final words are apple, banana,
End of the world.
Alabama, and Ohio.
Okay. And you? Gade mo?
What am I supposed to say?
Anything.
Something. Everything.
Alabama. Thank you, Apple, Ohio, Alabama. To Aunt Kenny. Blue Spider-Man. Sa Aunt Kenny.
Salamat po.
Thank you so
No,
much.
I think it's high
Salamat
five
po.
man. At alam mo, masarap yung rigat mo. Ano?
Ay, ayun na.
Hindi nga malamig.
Ayun na si pare, oh. Ngayon pala dumating.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Eh kasi ano,
May talent.
stop over daw, umihi daw yung ano.
Talent pala sa pagkasaya.
Do it again.